Hello.
Hello po.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's your name?
Jane po.
Jay?
Jane.
Jane.
Yes
Parang
po.
ilang araw na may Jane na tumatawag sa akin. Jane, are you watching TikTok or any live? Wala.
Nope po.
Okay, focus ka lang. Ilan taong ka na?
29 for tomorrow.
Uy, later or tomorrow pa?
Tomorrow po.
Happy birthday.
Thank you po.
Asan ka ngayon?
Sa Pasay po.
Pasay. Saan sa Pasay? Lapit ko lang sa'yo.
Sa Newport po.
Yung building na may Anytime Fitness.
Under renovation po.
Under renovation AF dyan?
Yes po.
Talaga?
Kasi in-upgrade po nila.
I have not worked out there for 4 months na.
Oh,
Yan, nag-workout ako. Nag-workout ako dyan.
talaga?
Yes. So,
I-upgrade na nila Papa Jack.
I go around, yung branches ng AF.
Yes po. In-upgrade nila this time po. Mas malaking locker.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Yes po. Tapos lahat ng equipment bago.
Do you work out there?
No po. Pero dati yes po. I just stopped.
Why?
May health condition po.
What's happening tonight?
Just last November po kasi, all of the sudden. Like, super emergency siya. Yes po.
What happened last year?
Kasi that time, I was like in work po. Sobrang sakit ng tiyan ko. Tapos bigla akong sinugod kasi may appendectomy po. Yung appendicitis ko po.
Okay.
Yes, and then po nag-stay sa hospital for like 4 days. Then after that, due to another concern po, I have to resign my job and stop doing things for now po.
Okay, welcome to the club of people without appendix that makes the two of us part of the club.
Yes po, okay lang po sana kung appendix, wag lang yung blood clot eh.
May blood clot ka?
After surgery po kasi and then getting out from the hospital, is namaga yung both hands ko from IV.
Oh.
And then superficial thrombophlebitis po ako, which is nearby sa arms ko, which is medyo po siya delikado. Pwedeng mapunta siya sa heart pag hindi ko mini-maintain yung check-ups and medication.
Okay, but you're getting better.
It's not really, but under medication pa din po, Papa Jack.
Okay.
Kasi ilang months na rin siya yung gamot po kasi parang mini-maintain lang muna siya sa way na hindi gumapang yung clot.
Okay.
Tapos at least itatry na i-melt yung clot sa gamot po.
Well, I don't understand completely what you're saying, but I hope you get better soon, okay?
Yes po.
All right. Ay, nako. Health is wealth.
Sir.
Talaga, no?
Yes po.
Totoo.
Sobra.
Health is
Kakatakot.
wealth. Totoo, health is wealth.
Kakatakot eh.
Ay, nako.
Ay.
Anyways, sabay pa tayo.
It's been a lot lately kasi, Papa Jack.
Ha?
It's been a lot lately.
Oh, what happened?
Ewan ko, Papa Jack. Is there something wrong every time na mag-near yung birthday ko? It's been so emotional and lonely.
Are you married, by the way?
Engaged po, getting married soon.
Okay.
Lately, it's been heavy. Every single time na magbe-birthday ako, ganito siya. I mean, kasi half of my half of my life, parang mag-isa ako nagse-celebrate. Hindi ako nag-celebrate
Okay.
since namatay yung parents ko po.
Are you a solo child?
No po, 3 po kami. Bunso po ako. Pero separately po kami nag-grow up.
Why?
Since yung sister ko po is medyo may age, nasa teenager na din, and then she wanted to do things on her own. Tapos yung brother ko, he wanted to stay in Manila po. And then yung sa side po ng mom ko, kinuha ako para i-send ako sa school.
Okay.
So, it's just been heavy po. Kasi feeling ko, hindi ko siya ma-overcome. Tinatry kong mag-celebrate, tinatry kong mag-plan for my birthday, pero parang hindi ko kaya. Parang wala ko sa point na, kaya ko ba mag-celebrate for myself kahit mag-isa lang ako?
Why is that a need? Why is that a necessity?
I mean, kasi planner po ako. I'll always make things excited for other people. Like a simple things. Kasi feeling ko, hindi nila
Okay,
nasa-celebrate
wait.
din.
Stop. Let's slow
Yes
down.
po.
Let's slow down. Slow down. Okay? Let's stick to let's try to stick to what's the real issue
Okay.
here.
Okay.
You are going to have your birthday in like what? Late tomorrow, di ba?
No po. Sad birthday, I guess.
Ano na?
I think it's not unhappy po. Pero,
No,
yeah.
I said you're going to have your birthday tomorrow, tama?
Yes po.
And the way I see it is that you're being pressured that you've got nothing special planned for your birthday. Tama, mali?
More on nalulungkot po.
Because there's nothing, like it's as if it's an ordinary day, tama?
Yeah.
It's an ordinary day. It's an ordinary day. It is.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true po.
It is. It is. I mean, if you come to think of it, it's just one day of our lives.
Yeah.
Well, I get your point. I'm not saying that you're celebrating the birthdays, wanting to be celebrated, like yung culmination of another year na nabuhay ka or whatnot. But at the end of it all, it's just one day of our entire year.
Yes po.
Celebrating the birthday, especially ikaw tomorrow, it's symbolic naman talaga yan.
Yes.
Diba? Some of us are lucky. Diba? Some of us would celebrate yung granding celebration. Some of us would just, take a nap, eat
Yes
alone.
po.
And I'm not trying to romanticize yung idea na you are not going to celebrate maybe as bongga as yung mga kaibigan mo. But you get the point, right?
Yes po. It's just like, it's not about celebration, Papa Jack. It's about like, I wish I could celebrate it with my parents.
Oh.
Every year po yun lang yung wish ko eh. It's like, I wish I could able to celebrate it with them.
Where's your dad?
He died too.
Oh, uli lang lubos ka na.
Yes po. Like, my mom died when I was 10 po. Tapos, yung after a year po is yung papa ko po.
You can celebrate with them.
The
Well,
fact is, I'm so, natatakot po kung puntahan yung place na yun kasi nandun yung bad and good memories at the same time. Hindi ko kayang tumapak.
Sa sementeryo?
Sa lugar mismo po, except sa cemetery.
Saan ka sa anong province mo?
Taga Iloilo po ako, pero
Wow.
lumaki po ako sa Dasma po.
So when you said takot kang mapak doon, are you referring to Iloilo or Dasma?
Dasma po.
Go there tomorrow. You have friends there?
No.
If you go there tomorrow, sino na andun?
Wala po.
Okay. Where's your fiancé, by the way?
Pa?
Where's your fiancé?
Yung sa dad ko po is taga Bicol po kasi sila eh.
I mean, your fiancé.
Yung nasa US po.
Oh.
Yes po. Ayun, kasi ewan ko natatakot po kasi ang puntahan yung lugar na yun.
Bakit?
Yung gumabalik yung mga memory, yung bad and good memory, yung
What,
pain
what particular place ang ano? Ang,
sa Cavite, sa may malapit sa Kadiwa.
anong lugar doon? Like the place where you grew up?
Yes po. The place I grew up, the place where I born po.
If you
Yung
go,
sa
say for example, you go there tomorrow. Sino nandun?
cousin ko po, pero hindi naman kami close.
So, bakit tayo nag-uusap na parang kailangan magpunta ka doon?
I wanted to visit them but takot po ako kasi nakita ko po yung papa ko sa bahay namin patay eh.
You have not been there after that?
Yes po.
But do you want to go there?
I don't have courage po.
No, I'm asking, that's not the, hindi yan ang tanong ko. Do you want to go there?
At some point, yes po.
No. Do you want to go there?
Yes po.
Go there.
So heavy, Papa Jack.
I know. But go there.
I'll do my best.
Have you heard of the line? Curiosity remains curiosity until entertained.
Ano po ulit? Sorry po.
Curiosity will remain curiosity until it's entertained.
Yeah. That's true.
You're there. You're curious ka, no?
Curious po kung anong mapifeel ko after.
We will never
And,
know. You will never know. I will never know. Nobody will never know. Except you. Alam mo, I get.
Nandun yung fear
sorry.
na bumalik yung memories na makita ko yung papa kong nakahiga
Well, maybe it's a good
nang
thing.
walang buhay.
Maybe it's a good thing for you to get those memories back. Baka mamaya hindi lang yun na maalala mo. It was, maybe yun yung alaalang na iwan sa utak mo. But it was more than that. Once upon a time, your father was alive in that place. He wasn't just there that day and he's dead. Tama?
Yes po.
He was once upon a time alive in that place.
Yes.
He once upon a time inhabited that place. Tama, mali?
Yes po.
Yeah. Alam mo, naiintindihan kita. No? Trauma kasi yan eh. I get that. I completely understand where you're coming from.
Di pa kasi kami nakakamove on kay mama na wala si papa.
That was...
Ang hirap. Alam mo yung feeling, Papa Jack, na
17 years
we're
ago.
achieving, yeah, we're achieving our own dreams. Yung mga kapatid ko, magaganda na buhay. Kami, nakakapag-travel na. Every time na may na-achieve ako, sana naranasan ng mama ko, ng papa ko. Sana naibigay namin yung buhay na alam namin kaya na namin. Yung kaya na namin bumawi.
Look,
Kasi nasa comfortable na kami.
no. That, what you just said are things that you assume because, are things that you think because you assume that where they are today, I could be wrong, is a worse place than here. No. I'd like to think they're in a far better place than where you are right now. Maybe what you can offer them tangibly is not what they need. If they can see you now, maybe it's not what they need. Maybe what they need is for you to go on with your life
Mm-mm.
and making them proud of what you've become. Maybe they want you to conquer the world.
Masama bang mainggit na yung may mga magulang pa, Papa Jack?
What's the point? If in case we can answer that question, what will be the point?
Kasi minsan sana meron akong ganyan.
Huh?
Kasi minsan napapaisip ako, sana meron akong ganyan, no? Anong feeling ng may magulang ulit?
You know. You're right.
Anong feeling na may tatawagin na, Ma, uwi, alis na ako. Nabahay na ako. Kumain na kayo.
You know.
Sarap sabihin na, Ma. Na-promote ako. Tapos ikakasal pa ako. Nasaan si Papi mag-walk down the aisle sa akin.
Sorry, say that again?
Tapos ikakasal ako na sana si Papi mag-walk down the aisle din sa akin. Hindi niya nagawa. Hindi niya naranasan. Hindi niya lang kami nakita na-achieve namin bawat pangarap namin na pinangarap nila sa amin. So nang may inuwi kami, Ma, alis tayo. Alis tayo. Sabi na bahala. Huwag na kayo mag-alala. Iisipin nyo na lang maging masaya, gumala. Lahat ibibigay namin. Sana na-return namin yung mga bagay na binigay namin nila sa amin. Tapos yan namin sila. Nakakamiss na may magulang. Sa araw-araw, kikibin ko, wala kang tayong inuulam. May ito pera, gumala ka. Yung hospital ako. Walang mag-isa ako. Habang yung iba may magulang. Bigla. Minsan nakakaingit ng may magulang. Ang hirap mawala. Sorry po.
It's okay. I feel honored that you chose me to hear about your most profound pain. So don't apologize. These are the pains you keep in your heart that otherwise no one will ever hear. But you chose us. So apologizing for telling us that you feel pain is the last thing you should do.
Naibigay namin yung pangarap nila. Kasi hindi na namin nagawa. Kung kailan kaya na namin. Alam mo, bigat every time nagkikwento ka about sa mama mo. Lagi ko naiisip. Wala nagawa na. Naku, nagawa ko din yun sa mama ko. Bawat lugar na pinupuntahan ko. Kaya nabili ko sila mama ng ticket papunta ng ganitong lugar din. Kaya naranasan nila mag-relax. Hindi nila naranasan mag-relax. Hindi kami makabawi. Nakakamiss may tawagin papa tsaka mama. Ilang years na walang sinasabihan ng gano'n. Lagi na lang tito, tita. Wala nang mama. Wala nang papa. May nabigyan ng Diyos mo kabawi. Hindi kami pinabigyan ng Diyos. Bigyan sila ng maraming buhay na pangarap din nila. Kung kailan kaya na namin.
Jane,
Kung kailan alam na namin na makakapag-retire na din sila.
Jane,
Yes po.
what do you want to do with your life? Let's talk about you muna.
Yes po.
What do you want to do with your life?
Still chasing my dreams po.
What? Sorry, say that again?
Still po, keep going sa promise ko po. I-achieve ko pa din yung gusto kong mga pangarap para sa kanila.
There you go. And do everything you can to live your life at the fullest in honor of your parents. Kasi ngayon, whatever we do, no matter how we dwell with the regrets you have or yung sadness na meron ka, those empty spots in your heart, that's that. Yun na yun. there's nothing we can do about that to change the circumstances. Tama?
Yes po.
But you can honor your parents by living your life the best possible version of it.
Yes po. Thank you po, Papa Jack.
You can live your life the best version it can ever be in honor of them.
Sobrang hirap ng talaga. Bawat achievement mo sila yung nakikita mo. Sana sila unang makakaalam ng mga achievements ko. Sobrang hirap ng walang magulang.
May magulang ka. You should never claim na wala kang magulang. May magulang ka. You're just not with them right now, but may magulang ka. I mean, to ever say, Jay, na wala kang magulang is shortchanging their presence. Even kahit na 10 years old ka lang na nawala sila. May magulang ka. You're just not with them anymore.
Yes. Thank you, Papa Jack. Heavy lang lately kasi
Ah.
sobrang heavy.
Well,
Sunod-sunod na yung nangyari.
birthday blues or maybe you're turning 30 years old, that's why. Symbolic din kasi yan eh.
16 pa lang ako, Papa Jack. Hindi pwede mag-30. Thank you po, Papa Jack. Kahit pa paano gumaan yung loob ko.
I'm sorry, I cannot offer you anything more than this.
It's okay.
Because you don't have a problem. You have a reality.
It's okay.
Problems can be solved. Realities, you can only face them.
Mm-hmm. It's enough na din po at least na may napagkwentuhan ako kahit pa paano. Feel safe po na magkwento sa inyo. Kasi hindi ko makwento sa inyo. So it feels safe na makwento ko po sa inyo.
Thank you for choosing us. Happy birthday for what it's worth.
Thanks, Papa Jack.
Good morning, Jane.
Good morning po.